Oh, someone may have had a bad day.
Really cool experience. Walked right up to be our guest, just out of curiosity. And guess what? They have a reservation right now. We are going in.
So here might be a tip, because as you can see behind us, the gates are closed. But we just walked up and asked, do you have any reservations for today? And they said, actually, we do. At 10:45, 20-minute wait. Just wait for the gates to open. And look, it looks like they might be getting ready to open.
I saw somebody behind us.
So always walk up and ask. Yeah. Even if the mobile app says no reservations available for today, even if Jeannie says not gonna happen today, take the one-on-one approach and just ask somebody, and you might get some pixie dust sprinkled on you.
We feel like we did, that's for sure.
Let's get ready to go inside on this Beast Castle. Be our guest. Adventure that rocks. And I believe it's open. In we go. Right this way, he says. Sandy must be excited. She's lots of people ahead of her. So cool. Look at this. Our bread and butter have arrived. Look at that. It's all warm. You can feel the heat come off these things. It's all fresh, nice. And notice my Lumiere. I just feel like speaking it when I'm in here.
I think you need to talk to Gaston.
I'll work on that for the next round.
Yeah.
Totally loving it in here. I know it's hard to see, and we're gonna try to get closer, but like through the windows, you see the snow falling down. You just hear the music playing in the background. Loving the whole ambience and atmosphere in here.
Truffle trimmer, goat cheese, serrano ham on top, Parmesan crisp in the middle.
Yum.
Enjoy.
What was this one again?
That's going to be a Stilton blue cheese.
Okay, excellent. Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
All right, Sandy was given a quiz. What is the answers again for your cheese and meat plate?
I got that this looks like a blue. I don't know, steak blue, but the one I'm really looking forward to is this brie. I think they said goat cheese though. So yeah, this is gonna be a surprise. I heard this was chorizo. And I like these little crackers. Isn't this a great looking plate? I just love cheese and crackers. I could eat cheese and crackers morning, noon, and night, and I'd be so happy. Ta-da!
Only fitting for someone the size of a barge. I got the lobster bisque.
It looks really good. Yum. And there is lobster on top of it. I see it.
From here, I love how the centerpiece is Belle and the Beast dancing, and it's just covered with huge pieces of artwork from the movie. It's very brightly lit in here, and just a great room.
Ooh, look at this.
All right, so what do you got there?
All right, I got the scallops, and I'm sure there's a fancy French name for these scallops, but they look amazing.
And then we get another shot of them. Yeah, they look really good.
And look at that filet mignon.
Yeah, and let me get off some of the garden here, just so everyone could get a good look at the filet mignon.
Over the potatoes.
Yep.
And he's bringing you out more mashed potatoes.
Yeah, so here's a tip. I said, hey, can they go a little heavier on the mashed potatoes? And they said, absolutely. They're going to bring us out some. So if you want a little more or something, just ask. West Wing is dark. I love how it does have all the enhancements from the movie with all the tattered rips from the Beast, and even has the enchanted rose and the mirror. it is a dark room, so definitely be prepared for that if you want to ask to sit in this room. Also, we noticed while in this room, you hear a lot of thunder and lightning as compared to the other rooms that's filled with the music from the film. Dessert has arrived with the ever popular white chocolate chip and inside filled with the gray stuff, and we hear it's delicious.
That's really delicious.
Yeah?
Thank you, Miss Pop.
So is the song true?
This
Is
song-
Lumiere correct?
Yes, very correct. Yeah.
Yeah, now you recommend to try the great stuff?
Definitely try the great stuff. This was delicious.
Yeah, I'm so glad that we were able to just to walk right up, get a reservation, and go right on in.
Yeah, it was so unexpected. We didn't expect that to be our night. Jeannie didn't tell us to do that, but we found it and had a great time.
So looking for more tips? You're in the right place. Follow us along at Show You the World Travel. We're going to put that link to our Facebook page in the description down below. Looking for a great Disney vacation? Just send us a message and we'll be sure to hopefully sprinkle some pixie dust your way. Be sure to make each and every day, including those filled with magic, an adventure that rocks. Looking for more fun photos and maybe little mini videos that we didn't include in this video you're watching now?
Be sure to check out our TikTok, our Instagram, and our Facebook pages.
And we're going to put those links also in the description down below.